Hi, my name's Greg. I'm one of the assembly technicians here at Muscle Car Restorations. Today we got a 67 Camaro on our dyno. This car has a 350 and a 4-speed. It would originally came equipped and it had installed a Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor on it, but our customer wanted a Holley sniper system installed, but he wanted the Quadrajet version. So we went ahead and installed that. We ran that on our dyno and it made very comparable numbers. Some of the benefits of the sniper system would be ease of starting for cold starts. There's no choke to set, better fuel efficiency, and very comparable power to a carburetor, if not the same. So after running both tests, both the carburetor and the EFI both made 219 horsepower. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Check back for more.